What's the meaning of categorize? Categorize. Categorize.
Categorize. Categorize. The term categorize refers to the process of organizing items, ideas, or concepts into specific groups or categories based on their shared characteristics or features. This involves identifying commonalities and differences between various items to create clear and distinct classifications. The result of categorization is the creation of a systematic and organized structure which can be used to better understand and analyze data. Categorization can be applied in various fields such as science, technology, and business to help with decision-making processes and improve overall efficiency.